Most people think you need to rent a car to explore Hungary's stunning Lake Balaton and the historic village of Tihany. They are wrong. Today we are taking you on the ultimate DIY day trip straight from the heart of Budapest using only trains and buses. No car, no stress, and a fraction of the cost. Let's go. It's 6:30 in the morning and we are on our way to Lake Balaton to start very early so as to reach there on time to enjoy the full day. Kick things off at Budapest-Déli station. You will want to grab a direct train heading towards Balatonfüred. Trains run regularly, but check the schedule ahead of time on the MAV app. Pro tip, sit on the left side of the train for incredible views of the lake. It's 9 o'clock and we have reached Balatonfüred. We are taking the subway towards the bus station. This is possibly our bus. We will have to go and check. Going to Tihany. The first view of Lake Balaton from the bus. We have arrived at Tihany, got down from the bus. This place sure looks out of a fairy tale. We are on the way to the church, Tihany Abbey. Tihany is a tiny peninsula packed with history. You have the 11th century Benedictine Abbey, cobblestone streets, local pottery shops, and lavender everywhere. It is said millions of years ago, Balaton was a part of a sea which is landlocked. With time, the sea has finally shrunken in shape and size, thereby creating a huge lake which is currently Lake Balaton. This is the view of the lake from Tihany Abbey. From this place, it really looks like a sea. You hardly get to see the other side of the lake. The autumn colors have really added a lot of variety to the landscape. This is the compound of the abbey. We have reached the Tihany Abbey at about 9:30 and there is absolutely no tourists here. We are quite alone in this area and this place really feels mythical. This is the spring caves of Tihany. Like Budapest, there are a lot of underground thermal baths in this area as well. This seems to be used since the Middle Ages. If you want to visit a fairy tale village in Hungary, come to Tihany. It is so beautiful.
Here's our first Kolodko in Tihany. If you want to see the Kolodkos of Budapest, you can click on the video linked above.
There's this fairy tale houses lining the streets of Tihany. This is the old town of Tihany, and since lavender is the principal crop that is grown here, you see lavender in everything. The houses lining the streets are so beautiful. This is the pottery house. This is the restaurant, but it is closed. We are very early in the morning, and I think it is also an off season in these parts. As I said, lavender is a principal crop in this place. Of the cross is a series of artistic representations depicting Christ in his final earthly hour as he carries his cross to Calvary. In Tihany, you will find all things lavender. From alcohol to body massage oils to coffee, tea, everything has lavender in it. So we have an Americano with a cake and a pistachio latte. This beautiful place at Tihany. The lavender fields of Tihany. It is not the lavender season.
We have taken a bus back to Balatonfüred, and the journey is approximately 30 minutes. The journey from Balatonfüred to Tihany and back by bus is very easy and is very inexpensive. The only thing that you must keep in mind is the timing of the bus. Can you spot the Tagore Medical Center in this signage? In November 1926, Tagore travelled to Balatonfüred, which was and still is renowned for its cardiac sanatoriums and healing mineral springs, to recover from severe heart-related complications. Under the care of local doctors, Tagore successfully recovered. In gratitude, he planted a linden tree along the lakeshore promenade. He also left behind a short poem to mark the occasion, writing lines that translated to his thoughts on life and quiet moments, including verse penned right there at Balatonfüred. Now you can see the connection that the Bengalis have with Lake Balaton. The famous Tagore Promenade of Balatonfüred on the north shore of Lake Balaton serves as a direct tribute to the legendary Bengali Nobel laureate and poet. If you visit Balatonfüred by public transport, walking down the Tagore Promenade is an unmissable experience, bridging the peaceful waters of the Hungarian Sea directly back to the cultural heritage of Bengal.
So we are trying the local Balatonfüred wine. This is a rose wine and this one is a white wine.
Don't forget to taste the goulash while at Hungary, along with the local specialty of fish. You may also try the local flavors of ice cream, including lavender, while at this place.
We are back after our trip to Balatonfüred.
This was our one-day DIY trip from Budapest to Tihany and Lake Balaton. Total cost just a few thousand forints for transport, zero car rental fees and zero parking headaches. If you found this helpful, hit subscribe for more stress-free European travel guides. See you in the next one.